Nest vehicles are trapped in the canals. Find them. You've got company.
Time to give you both barrels.
The Nest team has returned to base. All hands accounted for.
Our enemies weaken. Without the Allspark fragment or petroleum, the Decepticons are about to run out of power.
Somehow, I doubt it will be that easy. So far, we've managed to achieve our goals with minimal damage.
Compliment from Ironhide. We must be doing well.
I said so far. I'm sure someone will disappoint us soon enough.
Ratchet's hopes for victory are premature. The American forward base in the Indian Ocean has just been overrun.
The Autobots have been brought to their knees here, but that is still not enough. We will crush them all as we crush this entire planet. Now, a real plan unfolds! Today's mission was accomplished with great speed. We Decepticons are always swift in action. Although you, Starscream, are equally swift in retreating. I have never retreated. Ever! Of course not, Starscream. You simply advance backwards. The Autobots have suffered. I am pleased.